Hi my friend, Christian here from worldmicrojobs.com. So today will be a few videos about, this is the first one, about creating a new micro job. So if you go to World Microjobs, here you can see reveal jigs idea, category, and you can find here a lot of things you can do, you can create by your own using our advice. So every time you want, you can start making money online by creating new micro jobs on I don't know, maybe 100 plus Fiverr-like sites. Let's here it's a first video about and I start a new it's a post you just read right now, and it's about new micro job idea, creating a free website blog. So creating free website blogs, will be very good for your business. So if you can find skilled people who will create more virtual pages for you, for your business, for branding your business, will be a good idea. So let's go to Primetime Jigs, and this video it's about the job. So you can see the titles. So I will create a free customized and search engine optimized blog. It's about simple price of $5. It's about here it's about graphics design, web design, but I will say business branding services. Here I make a text. You can see here in great detail. Please do not copy paste this, you can adapt to your needs. Here it's about instruction to buyer, so keep a specific, send us specific instruction or let us know your base page URL. Then it's about tags, so the keywords people will find you in Google. Then it's about pictures. So I start making a picture. So will be when I will insert this will be the pilot image for this new post here on World Microjobs, but in this way will be only the picture for the micro job on Primetime Jigs. So I make this simple by using Photoscape, so free Photoscape. You can see I insert 600 on 400 pixels background, then I insert another background, and I make a text, and I do not forget to insert your logo. So that's it. This is the first video. So here it's the way I will post this micro job. In the next videos you will see how we can create this free blog. Thank you, bye bye. Christian here from worldmicrojobs.com.